Second part of third question, we write first linear equation in term of y. 2y 12 minus 3x y equals to 12 minus 3x upon 2. Make table and take 3 suitable points. We take minus 2, 0, plus 2. Equation number first, we say put x equals to minus 2 in equation first. We have y equals to 12 minus 3. Put x equals to minus 2 upon 2. 12 minus minus plus 6 upon 2, 18 upon 2, 9. Y equals to 9 when x equals to minus 2. Put x equals to 0 in equation first. We have y equals to 12 minus 3 times of 0 upon 2. We have y equals to 6. Put x equals to 2 in equation first. We have y equals to 12 minus 3 times of 2 upon 2. 12 minus 6 upon 2, 6 upon 2, and we have y equals to 3. Next, linear equation, write in term of y. 2y equals to 5x minus 4. Y equals to 5x minus 4 upon 2. We draw table and write suitable points minus 2, 0, 2. We say that equation second, we put x equals to minus 2 in equation 2. We have y equals to 5 into minus 2 minus 4 upon 2. Minus 10 minus 4, 14, 14 upon 2, 7. Sorry, minus 7. Y equals to minus 7 when x equals to minus 2. Put x equals to 0 in equation second. We have 5 into 0 minus 4 upon 2 minus 2. Y equals to minus 2 when x equals to 0. Put x equals to 2 in equation second. We get y equals to 5 into 2 minus 4 upon 2. 10, 10 minus 4, 6, 6 upon 2, 3. Y equals to 3 when x equals to 2. We draw graph help of these linear equations. We draw graph. x dash x, it is y x axis and it is y axis. One, two, three, 4, 5. 1, -2, -3, -4, -5. On y-axis 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8, -9. -2, 9. -2 here and 9 this point. We say that a point -2, 9. 0, 6. This point is 0, 6. Say that B point. 2, 3. 2 of x-axis and 3 y-axis meet here. 2, 3. C point 2, 3. We join these points. Labeling this line 3x plus 2y equals to 12. Next line -2, -7. -2, -7. This point P point and -2, -7. 0, -2. 0, -2 and we say that this point is Q point. 2, 3. Again same point R point 2, 3. Labeling this line 5x minus 2y equals to 4. Write scale on x-axis 1 unit equals to 1. On y-axis 1 unit equals to 1. Solution of this linear equation. Of linear equations. Here we draw perpendicular on x-axis and draw perpendicular on y-axis. We get x equals to 2 and y equals to 3. Also find cut y-axis line 3x line 3x plus 2y equals to 12. Cut y-axis. Cut y-axis at 0,6 and line 5x minus 2y equals to 4. Cut y-axis at 0, minus 2. Okay, how can check our answer right or wrong? We put these points in given equation. If satisfied, so our answer is right. So we put check answer. Three x plus 2y equals to 12. Put x equals to 2 and y equals to 3. This point. We write here x equals to 2 and y equals to 3 equals 12. 6 plus 6, 12 equals to 12. This linear equation is satisfied. We write next, put in second linear equation x equals to 2 and y equals to 3. 10 minus 6, 4 equals to 4. तो आप इस फॉर्म से आंसर आपका चेक भी कर सकते हैं, आपने सही किया या रॉन्ग। नेक्स्ट आपको ये फाइंड आउट करना है कि वाई एक्सिस वो पॉइंट कहां कट करेगा। वी नो दैट दिस ऑन वाई एक्सिस वैल्यू ऑफ एक्स ऑलवेज 0। वी चेक, अगर हमें चेक करना है तो हम डायरेक्ट यहाँ पे 0 रख के देखो सब। अगर आपने यहाँ 0 रखा तो y इक्वल्स टू क्या मिलेगा आपको 6 एंड दिस लाइन कट ऑन y एक्सिस वी पुट x इक्वल्स टू 0 वी हैव y इक्वल्स टू -2 so this point here line cut y axis।